Hey, welcome back to Brown and White. Thank you so much for visiting my website over the past few weeks. And with all the suggestions and recommendations that you made, I made some changes to Brown and White. Now, as been recommended to me, I made the blog itself as the homepage. So now, when you go to brownandwhite.ca, what you will see is the overview of all the posts that I've made on this website. So this is the what you can see. Also, the as recommended by Sam, the left-hand navigation is now consistent with all pages. If you see in this area, you have the blog, about, contact, and disclaimer. If you go to the blog page itself, you'll see it there as well. On about page, it's there. In contact, it's there, and disclaimer. So that's one thing that I have implemented to make it more consistent. I also moved the blogs I follow to about page because initially it was on the right side of the homepage and it was very prominent. So now, if you wanted to know the blogs I follow, you have to go to the about page, and at the bottom not at the bottom, on the right side of the page, that's where you will see it. Another recommendation which was very good and I really appreciated that was to rename the blog, the our story. That's actually the blog itself that used to be called Our Story, which Sam recommended to change it to blog. That's what it's called now. Another change that I have implemented is the to have some sort of a summary or a description, a subheadline for each post. For example, this is the latest post, 5 things to love about being a biracial couple. There is a description here of what the story is about, what the post is about, and all the other posts would have the same thing. That you can find to encourage people to visit the website, visit the blogs, and have some kind of an overview of what that post is going to be about. I also have included the Twitter feed at the bottom of the blog itself, so it's not really the first thing that you would see like in the previous iteration of this website. So all in all, I made some big changes to it as recommended by the folks who visited and as recommended by Sam. And I think I really like the way the website looks now, and I will continue with this project. And hopefully you will continue following my blog and reading my posts and watching my videos. Thank you, and have a great rest of the year.